Hey guys, happy Tuesday. I am Melissa Miller. I'm a brand ambassador here for Essential Stencil. Tonight I'm going to be working, if you were here every Tuesday, then you saw that I made this maybe 2 weeks ago, I think now. The back of it is blank, and you guys know I like reversible projects most of the time. So I'm going to be reversing this tonight. This is a wood tag. We do have these available on our website. So tonight I'm going to try to bring to life a project with this. But I'm gonna make it vintage, red, white, and blue, kind of patriotic. Okay, so I'm gonna start with a navy blue, and I'm hoping that I'm choosing the right color. So I'm just gonna wipe this on. Okay, so that's pretty good. All right. So that is just navy blue, and that is folk art paint. So that is navy blue. So I'm gonna take a look. And I'm gonna just see. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use the bigger pattern. So I've got red, and this red that I'm choosing, let me just take a peek at it. Because I've got this nautical blue, it's kind of a blue-gray. I've got my white. And I'm just using those on coffee filters. So let's set that right there. This red is patent leather. I just wanted to look at it on here. Yes, I think we're gonna go with this. We're gonna go with this. All right, now I've just got to decide what I'm making what. So I think the flowers I'm gonna make red and white, and the leaves I'm gonna make a light blue. So we are gonna pick one. I don't think it really matters which one I'm gonna do, but I think I'm gonna start with the leaves first. So I'm gonna get some light blue on this little guy, and you can see this is gonna take a little bit of time, but I'm gonna go over this, and I'm just gonna add this to the leaves. We're gonna switch gears, and we are gonna go to, I think I'm gonna do the white next, and I'm gonna do the red last. So we're just gonna do some red. So I kind of feel like I have a little bit better control pouncing it. Let me just take a peek. Okay, let me show you. Because I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna change this up a little bit. Let me show you on here. I'm gonna let you take a peek with me. There's what we're looking at. And while that's really cute, I want it to pop a little bit more. So, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take a look at my reds. Okay, let's try this one. Let's try adding a little bit of this. And I'm just gonna work right out of the lid and do a little bit of offloading. And something is on my stencil. Okay. I'm gonna add this on there. Okay, let me just look this over. Yeah, we'll go ahead and take it off. Sorry, I'm just holding that right in your face, staring at it. I did not even mean to do that. Okay, look. That's pretty cute. So I'm gonna take, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the same colors, but I'm gonna use my little white. Isn't that cute? I think that's pretty cute. There's my little dots. Okay, and then I've got, where'd they go? I got this pack right here. This is the 4th of July words. I kind of like USA. I also like 1776. They both fit right up there. Let's do 1776. Okay. Let's gonna finish her off right there. Look at how cute that is. And then I could go ahead and take this pattern up. What do you think? Isn't that cute? You guys like it? You can see all the little dotting I did in the flowers, and you could do that with any colors, but I think it's really pretty. I think it would be a very busy background, but I think that it is something that you could definitely add. Like I even just got, you could even like make this into part of your flag, right? Like you could do these as part of your stripes even, or add the pattern to the stripes. I think that would be really pretty too. Thanks for being here, and hopefully I'll see you guys next week. Have a great rest of your week, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.